Hi, Team 1 and Planning Analytics community. It is Brian from CubeWise. I'm excited to share the latest updates on IBM Planning Analytics Workspace version 2.0.97, which was released on July 16th, 2024. An update that brings a few minor updates and one very useful feature for visualization. Let's start with a general update. There is now a central setting editor for administrators, modelers, and analysts that will allow each type of user to edit components and features that they can set. The screenshot shows an administrator's setting, whereas an analyst would only see settings for the dashboard, database tree, dimension editor, and cube viewer. Next, let's explore what's new in books and reporting. An action button that references another book will automatically repoint to the book's location if it is moved to a new location, saving you time and effort if you decide to restructure the application's folder structure. Improved graphs used for comparison with this new feature that plots members from the same dimension. For example, here is a line graph with 3 members from the month dimension. Here is another example using the line and column charts. Previously, in the Sets editor, the Resets and Commits buttons were disabled until changes were made. Now these buttons can always be used, regardless of whether there are any changes to the set. In an exploration, spaces can be added to the row or column to create a visual separation. From the Formats area, you can add a color format to the spacer to make it more pronounced or align it to the company's theme. Let's look at what's new in Plans and Application. Tags that help identify sections and tasks on the overview page can now be color-coded, making them even more easily identifiable. Next is modeling. In the dimension editor, there are new ways to sort hierarchy members. What's available are sorting members in ascending order, sorting members in descending order, organizing the members of a specified set into hierarchical order, sorting members within a hierarchy in ascending order, and sorting members within a hierarchy in descending order. Now for administration. Deleting objects has been improved. There is a delete icon right next to the database. Now don't worry if you accidentally press this button. If you want to continue, you will need to confirm the deletion again, preventing anyone from making a mistake. And when you select more than one user, there is a delete icon where you can action a bulk delete. Lastly, let's have a look at deprecation. There is a reminder that IBM will end supports for Linux Red Hat's Enterprise 7 local only at the end of June 2024. And that wraps up the updates for IBM Planning Analytics Workspace.